Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Stevie Marie, the smile behind StevieMStarks. And today we are going to be doing part 2 of my morning skincare routine. This skin routine really targets my dark spots and my hyperpigmentation. So if you are ready to view this video, hold on, I forgot something. If you're new, please take the time to subscribe and welcome to the family. And if you're not new, welcome back. Let's get into this video.
Before I do anything, I love to brush my teeth, and this helps me to avoid any irritation around my chin and my lips. The first step in my morning skincare routine is to cleanse, and I love the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser by La Roche-Posay. This goes for $14.99 at Target. I love this cleanser because it is so gentle. It's formulated for normal to dry sensitive skin. It contains prebiotic thermal water, niacinamide, and ceramide 3. All of these help to maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, I use a dark spot treatment, and I love the one by Topicals. It's their Faded Serum for dark spots and discoloration. It goes for $38, or you can get the mini version for $18 at Sephora. This serum helps to reduce post-acne marks, spots and scars, and that real stubborn discoloration. It has azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, and niacinamide. If you need an acne treatment in your morning skincare routine, this is the one you need. This is the Stubborn Acne AM Treatment by Neutrogena. It goes for $9.99 at your local Target. This acne treatment helps to reduce breakouts and it kills acne-causing bacteria. That's because the main ingredient is benzoyl peroxide. Now, y'all have heard me talk about this moisturizer before because I love it so much, and if you don't have it, you need it. I promise you, you will love it as much as I do. But this moisturizer goes for $14.99 at your local Target, and it's by Verse Skincare. It is their Dew Point Moisturizing Cream. It is a super lightweight gel cream that is so moisturizing. It also has amazing ingredients like aloe juice, green tea extract, and sodium hyaluronate. Okay, so this is probably the most important of all the steps, and that's sunscreen. I love the Black Girl Sunscreen Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion. That's because it is a sunscreen, but it's such a great moisturizing lotion as well. It goes for $15.99 at Target or Ulta or their website. It's made with avocados, cacao, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, and carrot juice. Y'all, get you some Black Girl sunscreen. It's made for us, by us. The final step in this skincare routine is that I use a lip treatment, and I love the Lip Butter by Tree Hut. Like I said before, Vegas is super dry, so even my lips get chapped. So this ultra hydrating lip treatment is fabulous. It contains rosehip oil, shea butter, and china berry.
Hi, sweet girl. Mommy's doing her hair.
I do hair too.
You're doing your hair too. So that's it, you guys. That's one of 2 of my skincare routines. I try to do this skincare routine every other day. So I'll do the first video one day and then this video the next day, and I'll keep doing that throughout the week. But if you have questions on how if you have questions on how I keep my hair in a silk press, I'll link this video up here. Do you use these products in your morning skincare routine? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I'm about to go get her dressed. We'll see you next time. Say love you. Bye. Mwah.